What's funny about that is, so like most PPC tools, like all the other PPC tools out there charge you like a percentage and things like that. Ours is just like you pay one monthly fee and it's included. Um, Amy knows, like I don't want to sell you guys too hard, so I kind of almost hate talking about it, but we actually offer 30-day trial. So like, just go in there and use it for 30 days. If you cancel, I'll be sad, of course. I like to pay the bills, but if you guys just go in and try it and it works, then good for you. If not, then I don't expect you to stick around. But the thing is, and it's true for any tool, even if you don't use our tool, you guys have to put in the time to learn the tool, because if you don't learn how the tool works, it's not going to work for you. So many people like sign up for a tool, they'll use it for like 10 minutes, and one thing will frustrate them and they'll be like, I'm out, and then they'll like go back to doing things manual or whatever. You definitely have to put in the time. And the thing that like we pride ourselves on is like really awesome customer support. Like literally, like I have people pinging my Facebook Messenger all day long. And we also have live chat on the site, like literally all day long. Like my wife gets mad at me because I'll be sitting at dinner and the thing will go bing, and I'll like start helping people. And she's like, put that phone away. Like I'm obsessed with like helping you guys. Like I seriously, like it brings me so much joy. One of the things that, before I was like, when you start businesses, you want money, of course, it's like, yeah, I want to make a lot of money. And of course, that's kind of your main goal when you start out. But what I've really come to realize, like the more I've been doing this, is like I really enjoy like helping you guys and seeing you guys like posting things about like, hey, like, you totally helped me and my sales are up like 50%. I'm going to quit my job. Like when I see all those kinds of things, I'm just like, yes, like that like brings me pure joy, because I know I'm helping another family like mine, like get out of the rat race and like, ditch their stupid boss. So yeah.